use 유부녀 plus rashii 조지は日本人らしい George is apparently Japanese Use a plain form verb plus rashii 彼は明日来るらしい Apparently he will come tomorrow You didn't see it yourself You heard it from another source And now you're saying Apparently I hear that From what I've heard That's rashii rashii Apparently I hear that From what I've heard Not from my own experience But from information I received rashii When I hear it, when I read it When it sounds like it's true rashii is often used for rumors and secondhand information Maybe a friend told you, maybe you read an article Maybe everybody's talking about it Sometimes you hear information and make your own conclusion too マウントっていう喫茶店のケーキは美味しいらしい The cakes at the cafe called Mount are apparently delicious You haven't tried them yourself, but that's what you heard B さんはホラー映画が嫌いらしい It seems B doesn't like horror movies Nobody